Hey there, future coding superstar. Welcome to Mastering the C Programming Language. In this series, we're going to help you turn into a C programming whiz. So let's get started. C is an old programming language. It was created 5 decades ago. So why should I learn it, you may ask? Well, despite the long history that C has, it remains one of the most popular and widespread programming languages. A distinctive feature of C programs is the high speed of operation. So this language is especially often used in cases where it is necessary to ensure high speed and performance. In addition to this, the language is often used for programs that require direct interaction with the computer hardware, for example in operating systems and drivers. So you see, C is important. So what's in store for you? Here's a sneak peek of what we'll cover in this course. First up, I'll help you set up your own coding environment. Trust me, coding in a good IDE is like having the right tool for the job. You wouldn't use a spoon to cut a steak, would you? So I'll guide you through installing an IDE like CodeBlocks or Visual Studio Code so you won't have to code in Notepad. Because coding in Notepad is like trying to eat soup with a fork, which is possible, yes, but not fun at all. Next, we'll write our first C program. Spoiler alert, it's the famous hello world. So if you're able to type, then you can write this program. Easy peasy. Next, we'll dive into variables and data types. Imagine these as the different boxes you use to store data. You've got integers, floats, characters, and much more. You can also think of them as boxes where you keep different types of information. Next up are control structures. These are like the traffic lights of your code, directing the flow. If the lights turn green, go, otherwise wait. So I'll cover if statements and loops. Next up are functions. They're like your code's superpowers. With functions, you can make your code reusable and modular. We'll also cover arrays, which let you store multiple values in a single variable. It's like having a whole pizza instead of just one slice. Next up, pointers. Pointers might sound scary, but they're incredibly powerful. They let you directly access and manipulate memory. Think of them as your code's GPS guiding you through the memory landscape. Last but not least, we'll tackle structs. These are perfect for grouping different data types together. Imagine a struct as a mini data suitcase packing everything you need in one place. But that's not all. We'll also cover other important stuff like preprocessor directives, dynamic memory allocations, file input and output, multi-threading, the C standard library functions, and data structures and algorithms. Alright, so that's a quick tour of what we'll cover throughout this course. By the end of this course, we'll be able to write efficient, powerful programs in C and impress your friends with your coding prowess. If you're excited to get started, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and check out our full playlist. And let's embark on this coding adventure together. Keep learning and happy coding.